Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter a SharePoint list in your Power App and populate that value into a drop down. Okay. So many times we have a requirement in SharePoint that in one of the forms or gallery, wherever you want to pull data from a SharePoint list. Okay. So the very first thing you are supposed to do is to add your SharePoint list as a data source in your app, and then go to the items property of your drop down, and there you're going to do something like this. So in this case, list name is going to be like your data source name here. So let's say you have a list A, okay, in SharePoint, and that you have brought it as a data source. So that goes here, and this name title is the field name. Like by default, SharePoint list creates a field title. So I just renamed it to name, so it appeared like this. And this data card value 22.text is a text value. Like I have a data card over there. So my requirement is like in my drop down, uh, all values should appear except one that is matching this one, this text. So there I use this, and then there's a slight change here. I apologize that I did not remove this. Yeah, that's fine now. So that's how it works. So first I'm filtering, and then this particular column I'm using. That's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching.